is me out canoeing with my dad.
Hi.
And this is the place we are at. It's very cool here.
Why are we canoeing today?
Because we're out finding some geocaches. And I've seen some ducks, a fish. Haven't we?
Yep, we've seen some fish.
Seen some ducks though?
What's that?
Haven't we seen a duck?
Yep, we've seen a duck.
We've seen a water snake. Today I've seen a pelican. And it's right behind my dad. And what's it called?
Cutler Marsh.
Huh?
What are you talking about? What's what called?
This place.
Cutler Marsh.
Cutler Marsh. And it's right by the road.
I think the next geocache is in that tree right there.
And you think the next geocache is in that tree. And
you should be eating your lunch.
And I think it's very fun out here because you can see the mountains and you can see some of the marsh.